Hi, my name is Carrie Schell. I'm from the Office of EdTech and Design, and today we are going to talk about signing into your board and then installing the security certificate. So here you can see my board. On the top left, there's an image of me. So when I touch that, this shows that I am signed in. If you have not signed in, what you will see is the sign in option at the bottom, and then you will follow the prompts and sign in with Google using your SAISD email and password. Now, once I signed in, if this is the first time you have indeed signed into your board, you will have a security certificate to install. So let's go through the steps. First, I'm going to look at my screen, and the bottom left of the actual screen, not the board itself, I'm going to choose settings. And then in the settings, there's two ways to move. There's a left and then a right. On the left side, I want to go down and find security. And now on the right side, I'm going to choose install certificates. Don't panic here. There's 3 lines at the top left. Choose those. And then choose public files. Look for the fingerprint. So there's my fingerprint. I'm going to just type in the name certificate. And the security certificate is installed.